Hello, Namaste, Konnichiwa, welcome to Sunny Sensei. In this lesson, we'll explore an interesting property of projectiles. Projectiles, launched at complementary angles, have the same horizontal range. For example, if you launch two projectiles with the same initial velocity u, one at 60 degrees and the other at 30 degrees, both will land at the same point. They cover the same horizontal distance. But why? Because the angles are complementary. 60 degrees plus 30 degrees is 90 degrees. And projectiles launched at complementary angles always cover the same horizontal range. Now, let's prove this for the general case where we have two angles of projection, theta 1 and theta 2, that are complementary. Theta 1 plus theta 2 equals 90 degrees. For theta 1, the range is r1 equals u square sine 2 theta 1 over g. For theta 2, the range is r2 equals u square sine 2 theta 2 over g. Now theta 1 and theta 2 are complementary. So we can replace theta 2 with 90 degrees minus theta 1 and we get r2 equals u square sine 2 90 degrees minus theta 1 over g, or u square sine 180 degrees minus 2 theta 1 over g. But sine 180 degrees minus 2 theta 1 equals sine 2 theta 1. So r2 equals u square sine 2 theta 1 over g, which is equal to r1. With this, we have proven that r2 equals r1. Projectiles launched at complementary angles travel the same horizontal distance. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Sunny Sensei. Thank you and see you again soon.